Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pop the turkey into the fridge and let it brine for at least 8 hours, and up to 18 hours. Just don't leave the turkey in the brine for longer than recommended. Over-brining can render the bird too salty and turn the texture spongy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Leaving the turkey uncovered for the last 4 to 6 hours will help dry, and thus crisp up, the skin. Resist any temptation to rinse the turkey after brining. There will be no trace of salt on the surface, and rinsing would only make the skin less prone to browning.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While properly brining a turkey won't make it too salty, it does add salt to the meat. If you then add a salty rub or injection marinade, you can end up with a turkey too salty to eat. For this reason, if you are brining your bird, make sure you rinse it thoroughly after it comes out of the brine.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.